So chordata, basically the chordates are the bilaterally symmetrical organisms or animal. They are also known as the bilatria. Why? Because they have the bilateral symmetrical body, bilatria. Okay, and they belong to the clade of animal which is known as Deuterostomia. Okay, so there are basically the two groups of the invertebrates deuterostomes that are more closely related to the vertebrate than they are to the other invertebrates. Now, what are these two different groups? They are the cephalochordates. We'll discuss it in later lecture, and the urochordates. So these two are the group that shows the relationship with that of the chordate. Thus, along with the vertebrate, these two invertebrate group they together form the chordate phylum. Let's see and let's have the overview of the phylum Chordata. The phylum Chordata basically they are divided into the three basal groups. The first one is the Lancelets, second is the Tunicate, and third one is the vertebrate. These two are the primitive group. While vertebrate or vertebrates they have the vertebral column in them. The characteristic feature present in the chordate is that they are the bilateral symmetrical organism, they have the true coelom in them, and also they have the segmented bodies. When we are talking about the chordate evolution and the relationship, it shows and that the echinoderms and the chordata they share the close relationship and they also evolve independently. It means that echinoderms as well as the chordates they have evolved separately for over 500 million years. Okay, and there is no direct evolutionary connection. Means the one phylum did not evolve from the another. So this is the diagram which actually shows us about the phylogeny of the living chordate, and this phylogenetic hypothesis it shows the major clade of the chordate in relation to the other main deuterostome clade. So echinodermata, where we can see it is a major clade, and from that all these chordata have been evolve, but these two have the different origin for the evolution. Means they evolve independently, they are not evolving simultaneously. So derived character which are listed for the selected clades like the notochord is derived for the all chordates, and then the vertebrae are present in the particular vertebrates, then the jaws are present in the uh, nathostomes and the lungs, and all these characteristics they are listed for the selected clades. For example, only nathostomes they have the jaws in them, while in some lineage what happened they have the derived character also, which has been lost over the time, or they have also reduced in the or they are present in the reduced form. For example, the hagfishes is there and the lampreys are there, so they are the vertebrates with the reduced vertebra in them. Okay, so these two have the reduced vertebra in them, and further lineage like the lobe fins are present in the fishes also, which are the lobed ones, and the limbs with the digits are present in the amphibian as well as in the reptiles and the mammals. And the reptiles and the mammals they are differentiated, or they have lineage from the particular parent ancestor with the amniotic eggs and the milk. So in this way, the phylogeny of this living chordate is show the different characteristic or the different trait which has been diverged or lineage from their parent ancestor, as well as some are lost during the course of the evolution. So this is the diagram which actually is a characteristic which is it represent the characteristic of the chordate, and all chordate possess the highlighted structure which is the trademark at some point during the development. So what are these characteristics present in the chordate? They have the notochord present in them. They have the dorsal hollow nerve cord present in them. They have the pharyngeal slits or the cleft present in them, and also they possess the post-anal tail. So these four are the highlighted structural trademarks which are actually present at some point during their development. So these are also the derived character of the some chordate. All chordates they share a set of the derived character, though many of the species they possess some of these traits only during their embryonic development, while some other they are present in the till the adult stages. So this figure mainly illustrate the four key characters of the chordate: the notochord, the dorsal and the hollow nerve cord, the pharyngeal gill slits or the cleft, and the post-anal tail. So let's discuss one by one the different characteristic or the feature of all these four particular characteristics. So first one is a notochord. Notochord basically they are found in the chordate embryo and also in the adult embryo. The adult chordata. So they are found in some adult as well as in the embryonic stages. They are the longitudinal, they are the flexible rod, they are usually present between the digestive tube and the nerve cord. So they are present between them. Okay, so between the digestive tube and the nerve cord. Okay, and they also provide the skeletal support and the flexible structure for the muscle functions. They are present in the vertebrate where a joint skeleton develops around the notochords. They are found beneath the nerve cord. They are mesodermal in the origin, means they derive from the mesoderm. So they are mesodermal in the origin, and in some other chordates they are replaced